All right, guys, we're getting close to the end, so we're gonna head down here. This is a swap meet. We're gonna see what's available in the swap meet. A lot of times we'll find cars in there and stuff that you can't find in the car corral. So we're gonna go through here. If we see some cool stuff, we'll pick it out. And if you want to see all the other stuff, the cars, the race cars, if you want to see the blower motor, crazy nut cars, all that kind of stuff, we have about 6 or 7 videos up for you to watch. And so come with us, and we're gonna go. Huh?
Stop.
Camera's pointing at me, guys.
Oh, my bad, man.
I know. I'm not mad. I would have turned it. You want to be on Junkyards and Barn Finds, you can.
Turn it. Yeah.
So anyway, we're gonna just walk through, check out the cars that are for sale. I like the ones in the swap meets a lot better, because for some reason they're more affordable. So let's check it out. Matching number 62 for 70 grand.
That's their tail, right?
That's what they say. You would think they would know how to put the air conditioner on. I'm just talking to my YouTube.
Oh.
So if you guys like this, text 570-616-7092. That's the number for this car. And it looks like, I don't know if they're out of Ohio or not, but the car is just sitting there, so there you go. Ooh. I think I see a Mopar. NASCAR models, $10 each for the small ones. I don't see small ones.
Yeah? You gotta keep walking. You gotta keep walking.
Alright, keep walking. Sunoco gas pump tops if you need a set. 70 Dodge 440. 727 completely restored. No phone number. No.
He's probably taking the closest look at it than anyone else there. There's one other guy around.
There you go.
Might have been.
Steering wheel's not restored. There's some stuff missing, but and the front end's not fitting correctly, but it is what it is. Triumph, old trike, little Honda.
I don't know which ones we're going down.
1950 Ford shoebox, $5 grand with a title. Okay, if you guys have never seen this, we're on the Space Coast, and in case you've never seen, if you want to know how Elon Musk affords to make his own spaceship, is he uses doors and stuff from other cars. So he uses old car parts. So this is actually the SpaceX door to the next spaceship from Elon Musk, right? No? You don't know? Could be.
No, it's a SpaceX.
It's a SpaceX part.
Yeah.
So it could be to the next thing he sends into space.
You never know.
So I don't know. It's not a Tesla door.
No.
But for $200 you might have the next SpaceX. And then if it's $200 here, then you know that NASA paid like $800,000 for it. So it's a bargain. All right, guys, let's go over here and look at this midget car. Pretty cool midget. 11,000 Alto Racing. Pretty cool. Wow, cool motorcycle. Oh, 2,900 with title for a 250. A 1974 Honda for $1,000 bucks. That actually is very interesting. Keep that in mind.